Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Wilkins, and today I am gonna make you guys a workout to do at home on your couch. Today we're gonna do 7 moves, 45 seconds each, 15 seconds of rest. Let's get started. We're gonna start out with what I call the couch bridge. So get out your handy dandy mats. Pause this if you need to go grab a mat. We're gonna be here, heels up. I'm gonna set the timer right here, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds rest. Shoulder blades are back and down on the mat. Let that air out. Bring that core set muscle down. Here we go. I'm gonna press the start button. Lift up and lower. Lift and lower. I want you to squeeze those glutes. If you have extra weight at home, go ahead, you can put that on your hips while you do this move. Lift and lower. So it's again 45 seconds. Woo! And you know what? I know it's a weird time in our life right now, but I want you guys to think about something positive in your life. What's going right? Have you been exercising regularly? Maybe it's walking, meditating. What makes you happy? Woo! I know that working out really makes me happy. Okay, rest. The next one is a single leg couch bridge. So you're gonna stay in this position on your back, shoulder blades back and down, core is on. Let that air out. Ready? And we're gonna lift up. And we're gonna switch halfway through this to do the other side. So I've gotta keep an eye on my timer about halfway through. 45. Really squeeze those glutes, lift those hips off the ground, and go ahead, switch sides, pushing through the heel, lift and lower. What's so great about this workout is all you need is your couch, and most of us have a couch. You don't really need a mat if you don't have one, but it's just more comfortable. And go ahead, lower. Next one, we've got the couch thrust. This one you've probably seen in the gym. Go ahead, you're gonna get your shoulder blades right about mid-back, a little bit higher, maybe possibly. Okay, and then go ahead and make sure those feet placed on the ground, squeeze the glutes, let the air out, lift up and lower. Squeeze, lower. And what's great about this is it's only 7 moves. We're going for time. We get that 15-second break. I'm slipping a little bit. That's okay. Keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower. Now we've got the couch V-sit, okay? Okay, so you're gonna sit on your couch for this one. You can watch your favorite TV show if you'd like. We've been binge watching Disney lately, okay? So you're gonna be here. I'm gonna support myself with my hands. You're gonna go out and in. The point of this is to work the abdominal muscles. You can take it as slow as you'd like. And always try to relax those shoulders back and down. I have some imbalances in my shoulders, so it's not gonna look perfect. Everybody looks different in their moves. But the goal is to try and keep those shoulder blades back and down. Bring those knees towards you. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, give yourself a little rest. Shake it out a little. Next one, we're staying on here. We're gonna be doing the couch flutter kick, okay? So again, reset those shoulders. Shoulders back and down. Get ready, and legs out. Start off with pointing the toes. Now I just want you to try and feel the difference. with flexing your feet. Hopefully you can see that in the video. Flex those feet, and then point. Go back and forth. I'm always trying to correct my posture. That's one thing that I'm really working on lately. It may take me years. Woo, this burns. I know you're feeling it, I'm feeling it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Holy crap. Okay, that was the flutter kick. We're on number 6, the couch side plank. Okay, so we're gonna do abs. Okay, get ready on your side. You can always be here. This is gonna make it a little easier on your knee, but I'm gonna go all the way up. Okay, like so. Hopefully you can see. Okay, so again, I'm trying to be in my best posture I can be in today. Really trying to crunch this right here. Breathing in the nose. Really trying to control that breath. And we're gonna switch halfway through the other side. Okay, our next move, we have our last one, which is the couch plank elevated. This is gonna be a little bit easier than the regular plank. We're just gonna be here in your best posture, trying to be keeping your spine nice and neutral. And we're here for 45 seconds. You guys, awesome job today. Again, you can do that watching your favorite program. Super simple. Well, it's a little tricky. It really burns the core. So what that was working on is basically lower half your core and your legs. You can repeat this as needed if you'd like. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe down below. Bye, you guys.